I'm Ed Peterson. Worked hard pretty much all my life. Construction industry. I was out on the highway, lifting, carrying, pulling, moving. I've had some back issues. The old mattress was not my friend. Went to the original Mattress Factory store. It was one-on-one. You couldn't beat the service. It was just a very good experience. And ever since then, it's just been the best night's sleep I could have. I really feel comfortable. I look forward to laying down at night. Before it was like, it's bedtime and I'm not gonna feel good in the morning. Now it's really great. I've already had the conversation with a few people, talked about the service, talked about the price, talked about what a great night's sleep I'm getting, and I've recommended it to several family members and some friends. Told them it's worth heading to the original Mattress Factory first. Skip the other guys.